If you are a web designer using WordPress and Elementor, I'm sure you would quite agree with me that there have been times where Elementor can prove to be quite buggy and difficult to use. There are numerous problems that you might encounter or run into, and one of such problems that I would like to talk about today is the endless loading loop when you open your Elementor editor. This issue can be quite frustrating because it renders you unable to edit your website. So how do we resolve the endless loading loop when you open your Elementor editor? Come around, let me show you. I'm in the editor mode of Elementor, and here I have the endless loading loop. This has made all the fields within the Elementor widgets inactive and inaccessible. So how do I resolve this issue? Now, all that you have to do is to right click and then scroll till you find inspect. Now click on inspect and then wait for your web browser to load the inspect code. After loading the inspect code section, you will see over here a list of code that has been displayed. Simply look for this particular line which says div id Elementor panel state loading. Click on it and then delete. Once you click and delete, automatically your Elementor widget area now becomes active. It's no longer loading, as you can see. Now I can select all the widgets within this particular area. So if I click on this area, as you can see, now I am able to edit all the fields within this particular area. So the issue has been resolved. We've been able to resolve the endless loading loop in Elementor within a few clicks and seconds. So if you found this video very helpful and you like the content that I provide, you might want to consider subscribing to this channel and also liking this video so that in future when I upload similar content, you will be notified. Thank you.